Okay, so here's a quick, some kind of little tricks of stuff that you can do that's quite a good idea. So if you're using our marketing software, then obviously you know that you get a whole bunch of different posts like these that post straight to your Facebook page automatically once you've set it all up. Now, one of the things that you can do is you can go to this Insights tab on the top of your Facebook page. And I haven't done very much on my Facebook page over the last month. Naughty, I know, but I've been a bit tied up doing the journal. But here you will see your most recent posts. And this is a really good way. So it shows you all of the posts that have been published. Now, you now have an option here to boost these posts. So one of the good things to do is go in, see which ones have had particularly good engagement. So generally these little bar charts show you some, so you can keep going. You can see loads and loads and loads different. So you could pick one of these, for example, and I used to say don't boost posts, mainly because it was very difficult to do the same amount of targeting as you could with setting up ads from scratch. But I've noticed recently that Facebook have made this a lot better. So you can now go and you can say, you can choose buttons if you want to add a button, and in which case these are actually linked to lead collection pages where people can be offered the various different leaflets that we offer. So you could add one of these buttons if you wanted to, or learn more or whatever. That would be quite good. And you can also now do quite a lot of targeting. So you can choose obviously your gender, your age range, your locations. Let's just check, we can still do postcodes in there. Yep, still do postcodes. And you used not to be able to do a lot of this stuff, so this is quite cool. I can't get rid of that, which is annoying. Let's just cancel and try that again. You can include interests as well. So if we put in, for example, cycling, it comes up with cycling, and you can get suggestions as usual. So basically all of the stuff that you can do within your normal ad setup, you can now do within these boost posting options, which is really very cool. So where previously I might have said don't do a boost post, now I think it is much, much better, because obviously you've got all of these options, and then as you go down you can set budget and you can set duration and all of those usual things that you can do. So this is quite cool, and if you pick the posts that have done particularly well for you, then this is a really good way of getting more traction and building your leads up using those posts that have been performing well for you. So that's my little tip there, and I hope that's been useful.